Hey, this is Mike. I just wanted to show off a couple recent updates to Definite. So first, Fee has gotten a lot smarter, a lot more capable. So if we ask something like, tell me a bit about this data set. So this data set that we have loaded here is actually a pretty large public data set from Iowa, which is all the state's liquor sales. So there's 29 million rows, a bunch of columns, a bunch of numeric columns, measures, things that you can calculate. So if we drop this entire file into Fee and just kind of start asking some questions, we can see some of the response we get back. So the data set you're working with is Iowa sales. There's these measures of like count, sold, dollar sold, and then we get some suggestions here on kind of some interesting analytical things we could take a look at. So what are the best selling liquor categories by sales dollars? And in this case, this is going to actually execute a query. So this first one, it's just taking kind of the metadata that we're feeding to Fee and kind of giving you a summary. In the second case, we're actually executing a query and getting some results back from the database. We can add this to the canvas, and we could have had artifacts before Claude had artifacts, which are basically these blocks that you can add to the canvas and start building a dashboard or something you want to share with the rest of your team. These questions will kind of keep coming. So in this case, the suggested question was the top selling categories, but we might want to say something like gallons. So while that executes, let's start playing with the canvas here, and we can kind of zoom out here a bit and start positioning these how we want. So I think for a dashboard that I was going to share with the rest of the team, I'd probably hide this tile away. So including dashboard here, we can kind of check that off, so that when we flip over to dashboard mode, which we'll do in a second, it'll only show the chart. So let's add this one, and since we asked for the most, it's just giving the single result. But in this case, I probably want more like 10. So let's save that. It'll rerun. The chart will update. Yeah, 10 looks good there. And I also want to do the same thing with hiding this. And then this also had gallons, so let's add that one. And I think I'm done with Fee for now. And we'll also flip this to be 10 rows. So save, run that again. I'll do the same thing here and exclude that block. And then when we flip over to dashboard mode, we just got the three kind of output charts here.